Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this part of the video, I'll be walking you through on how you can upgrade your business name to a limited liability company. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share to someone that is going to be needing it. So, and also if you need my assistance in helping you to do this kind of work, so or you would like to join my mentorship, so you can easily use the link in the description box below to reach out to me. And also, so the first thing we are going to be doing when it's come to upgrade of business name to limited liability companies, that we are going to be requiring CAC concept from CAC. So in order for us, the first thing you have to do is to log into your portal. Want to click on is to, we have the name reservation section, we have the name requiring consent. So what you want to click on is to click on name requiring consent. So unlike normal company registration where you are just going to be making name reservation, then you, once it's approved, then you proceed to actual company registration. No, this is different. What you want to click on is to click on name requiring consent. So once you click on name requiring consent, so then you are going to be seeing the not submitted application, the pending application, the queried, and the approved consent you have seeked. So now in this case, what you want to do is to come here. So you click on apply for consent. So once you click on apply for consent, you want to come down here. So now you have to choose the business classification. So in this case, you have to choose company. So once you choose the company, then you choose the type of company you want to upgrade your business name into. So we have the private company limited by share, private or limited company, public company limited by share. So what you want to go with is private company limited by share. So once you choose that, the next thing you want to do is to choose the reason for seeking the consent. So what you want to do is to click on this part. Then what you want to do is to click on registration of business name as limited. Then what you want to do is to choose it. Now after you selected that, it's going to bring out search for company. So here you are going to be entering the business name or the business registration number or the availability code. So but here we are going to be making use of the business registration number. So then what you want to do is just to input it here. So I will copy it already. So once you input it here, it's going to load it up, as you can see. So once it's load it up, what you want to do is to choose that. So once you choose that, then you click on apply for consent. So then it's going to say, do you want to start a new consent application for registration of business name as limited? So what you want to click on is to click on yes, start my application. So if you are finding value in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. So now what you want to do is you have to input the name. So here, as usual, the name has to end with either limited or what, or LTD. So what I want to do here is to just simply type LTD, since we are making use of the name of our business that was initially registered. So then you just have to put limited or LTD at the end. So if you have other name you want to add, you can just add, but in this case I won't be adding it. So then we have 7 major process in this aspect. So the first aspect is at company details. So here you are going to be entering the company details, which is the principal activities of business, specific business activity, email, then all other details, register address, the head office. Then once you are done, then we go to article of association, then we go to objective of memorandum, then we go to directors, and where you are going to be inputting the secretary details, and also we are going to be entering our statement of compliance. Then after that, we upload our document. So then after uploading document, then we preview, then we make our payment. So this is going to be the first part. So then after it has been approved, then we are going to move to the second section where we are going to be doing the share allocation. The person with PSC, which is person with significant control, which is the PSC. Then all that we are going to be doing that as well in another part once it is approved. So here I'm just going to enter the details now. So I'll feed in all the required information. So I'll feed all the information. So what I want to do now is to click on save and continue. So once I click on save and continue, so the next thing I want to add is to add my articles of association. So if you are a lawyer or someone that knows how to craft out article of association, so you can easily enter it here. The part one, the parts, if it is part one, then the title and the subtitle, then the information that is going to contain under the part one. Hope you get it. So then we are going to be entering the witness details as well. So in this case, I'm not going to be entering. So what I want to do is just to adopt. So I will just adopt the default one here. So once I click on adopt, so as you can see, so it has adopted this. So if you want to edit, you can edit it. So but in this case, I won't be editing anything for now. So what I want to do is to proceed to add in my witness. So and what you want to do is just to click on add witness, so add new witness. So once I click on it, I'm going to enter the details of the witness. So as you can see, and the witness shouldn't be part of the director or the shareholder of the company. So we are upgrading. So I hope you get it now. So I will quickly fill in all this information, then we are going to proceed to the next stage. Okay, now so I'm done adding the information of the witness. So what I want to click on is just to comment there. I'm going to clicking on add and continue. So once I click on add and continue, the next thing you want to do is to click on save and continue. So once I click on save and continue, then we are going to be entering the objectives of the company we are upgrading into. So here I'm quickly going to be entering the objectives. So if you don't know how to craft out a professional objectives for your company in order for it not to be rejected, so you can easily reach out to me using link in the description box below. So just tell me the kind of category your company falls into, then I'm going to be helping you with that as well. So I'm going to quickly fill in all these details now, then we are going to proceed because I don't want to make this video to be too long. Okay, so I've entered all it. So once you just input your objectives here, so what you want to click on, just to click on add object. So then it's going to be added. So I've added it. So the next thing we need to just proceed to the next stage. So we just have to click on save. If you are finding value in this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up and make sure you share to a person or someone that's going to be needing it as well. So the next stage is where we are going to be adding our director and secretary. So here the first thing I'm going to be adding is the directors of the company. So I'm just going to click here, then I'm going to be adding the director. So you are going to click on director. So once you click on director, you click on continue. So once you click on continue, it's going to bring out the information. It's going to bring out the details where you're going to be entering the director's details as well. So I'm quickly going to fill in all this information, then we are going to be proceeding. So let me quickly fill it in. Okay, so I've inputted the address as you can see. So if the residential address is the same the address here for the director, so just click on same as service address. So here is the service address. So I'm just gonna click on same as service address for the director. So what you wanna do, and make sure you don't click on this I residential address from the public record. So what you wanna do is to select the means of ID. So I'm gonna be selecting that. So we are using the NI. So I'm going to enter the number. Okay, so once you are done, so now in this case, if you want to add the director as part of the shareholder, so what you want to do is just to toggle this icon. So this is what I want to do. I'm going to be adding the director as the shareholder as well. So I'm going to toggle this, then I will click on add and continue. So once I click on add and continue, so the next thing we want to add is to add our secretary. So you click here, then you add the secretary. You can add more than one director as well. So and you can add an individual secretary or a corporate secretary. So I just to choose the individual secretary. So since we are making use of an individual, so then you click on continue. So once you click on continue, you enter the name of your secretary as well. So I'm going to be filling in the details just the way we fill in for the other one. Then if the secretary is going to be part of the shareholder, you can also toggle it, but in this case we are not going to be toggling that. So let me quickly fill in all this information, then we proceed. So now I'm done entering the information. So what I want to do is to click on add and continue. So once I click on add and continue, so what you want to do is to come down here, then we click on save and continue. This place we are going to be entering the statement of compliance. So what you want to enter is just to enter the details of the director of the company, so which I'm going to quickly do right now. Then we proceed to the next section. Now, so I'm done entering the information of the director as the person that is signing this compliance form. So what I want to do is to click on I confirm that the requirement of the company and that the requirements of the Companies and Allied Matter Act 2020 as to registration have been complied with. So I'm just going to check this, then I'll click on save and continue. So as you can see in the normal company registration, which this place is supposed to be where we are going to be uploading our signature document and ID of the director, secretary, witness of the company, advocate, and shareholder as well. So what we want to do here is we are just going to be uploading a document which is a consent letter and the certificates of the business we are upgrading to. So we are going to be merging it, then we are going to be uploading it here, which I'm going to be doing right now. Okay, so I've successfully uploaded the document right now. So what we gonna do, you can easily preview it to be sure. So what I want to do is to click on save and continue. So once I click on save and continue, so we just have to cross check all the information to preview everything and ensure everything is correct. So once you are very sure that everything is correct, so the next thing you want to do is just to click on save and continue. Then you proceed to where you are going to be making your, and once you make your payment and it has been approved, then we are going to be proceeding to the second part. So this is just the first part of how to upgrade your business name to a limited company. So I'll be releasing the video on how to do the second part. If you are yet to subscribe, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you would like to help me handle the process from A to Z as not to make any mistake, because so many people make mistake when it comes to this. So I'm available, so you can easily use the link in the description box below. Thank you and see you in the second part of the video.